Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a resignation letter for a teacher. This letter is an important document that formally notifies your school about your decision to leave while maintaining professionalism and gratitude. You will begin your resignation letter by including your personal details at the top, such as your name, address, email, phone number, and the date. Below that, you will address the letter to your principal, mentioning their name, the school's name, and its address. Make sure to include a clear subject line stating that this is your resignation letter. Then, start your letter with a polite and professional salutation, addressing the principal directly. After that, write, "I am writing to formally resign from my position as your position, at school name, effective, last working day, typically 2 weeks from the date. It has been a privilege to be part of this institution, and I am truly grateful for the support, experiences, and professional growth I have gained during my time here. Working with my students and colleagues has been immensely rewarding, and I deeply appreciate the positive environment fostered by the school. While this decision was not easy, it is necessary for my personal and professional growth. I am committed to ensuring a smooth transition and will do my best to assist in any way before my departure. Thank you for your understanding and support, and I hope to stay in touch in the future. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample resignation letter for a teacher. You'll see how it maintains professionalism while expressing gratitude for your time at the school. The letter clearly states your resignation date, appreciation for the experience, and your commitment to ensuring a smooth transition. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and respectful resignation letter that leaves a positive impression. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing professional documents.